In this video lecture, I am going to solve two questions. One question for Mayor and Paul, and other one from the important question from competition examination. So, first question is: urn first contains X white and Y red walls. Urn second contains Z white and V red walls. A wall is chosen at random from urn first and put it into urn second. Then a wall is chosen at random from urn second. What is the probability that this wall is white? So there are two urns. Suppose that it is one, and second one is this urn second. So it contains X white and Y red walls, and this contains Z white and V red walls. Named it as first urn and it is second urn. Now one wall is transferred from this urn to this urn. So either it will be white wall or it will be a red wall. There are two cases, either it is white or red. So in these situations, remember always you have to apply total probability theorem. So what is total probability theorem? It is probability of occurrence of any arbitrary event A. This is equal to probability of summation J is equal to 1 to n. Suppose we have n events, and the probability of A given Ej into probability of Ej. So this is the formula for total probability. In detail you have studied it. I explained it in first unit in probability theory very well, and in any other class I will also explain if you need it. So this is total probability theorem, named total probability theorem. So you have to apply this formula. What you required, you have to drawn a white wall from urn second. It means suppose that white walls in urn first named as, there are X white walls. Suppose that there are W1, W2 and so on, and in this bag there are W2, W3 and so on. So you have to drawn white wall from urn second. So suppose that white wall drawn from urn second is named as probability of W2. So probability of W2 can be written as probability of W2 given W1 into probability of W1. Just apply this formula, plus one situation is this, and second situation is probability of W2 given R1 into probability of R1. This is the required formula. Means what? Second wall in second box is white, given that it is transferred from the first box and it is white. This situation, probability of white wall from second box while it is from the first box and it was red. So there are two situations. So apply this formula in this situation. So just find the probability of W2 given W1. So W2 means white wall in second box. So what will be the probability of this in second box? There are Z white walls, and one wall has been transferred from first box. It means what? One white wall has been transferred from first box. So there are Z walls in second box, and one has already been have come from the first box, so there are total Z plus 1 walls, Z plus 1 white walls. So probability of this event will be Z plus 1 upon, now there are total walls in this second urn, Z plus B plus 1. I think you got it. Total white walls in this box are Z plus 1 because Z walls are white already and one have been come from the first urn, so there are Z plus 1, and total Z plus B plus 1 which is came from urn first into probability of W1. Probability of W1 means probability of first box. So probability of white wall from first box. So there are x white walls and total walls are x plus y. So white wall, probability of white wall from first urn will be x upon x plus y. Now this probability of this event, probability of white wall from urn second while red wall has been transferred from first wall. So probability of W2 given R1 means what? Means W2 means probability Z walls in second box, there are Z walls and transferred total walls, so total Z plus B plus 1, and this one is red wall. So Z plus B was total walls in second urn and one have been transferred from first, so there will be total Z plus B plus 1, and Z denotes for white walls. Since in this situation red wall has been transferred, so there will be only Z, and in this situation white wall has been transferred, so there will be Z plus 1. Now into probability of R1 means red wall in first urn. Probability of red in first urn will be how much red walls? Y red walls, and total walls in first urn are x plus y. So there will be y upon x plus y. So this is the probability of this question, white wall taken from the urn second while one wall has been transferred from urn first to urn second. So just you may solve this, then you take the LCM. Denominator is same, so this will be x plus y into Z plus B plus 1, and this will be x Z plus 1 plus Z y. So next you may solve one step more, x Z plus x plus Z y upon x plus y and Z plus B plus 1. So this is the required answer of this question. This question have been taken from the book statistics book Mayer and Paul. It is the first question of the exercise. Now many more questions of like this question have been asked in different competitive examinations and also in other examinations, like this question number 2. Urn first contains 2 white and 4 red walls, while urn second contains 1 white and 1 red wall. A wall is randomly chosen from urn first and put it into urn second, and a wall is then randomly selected from urn second. What is the probability that the wall is selected from urn is white? So just same question. The probability that the wall is selected from urn second is white, while wall have been transferred from urn first to urn second. The conditional probability that the transferred wall was white given that a white wall is selected from urn second. Now it is conditional probability means it is Bayes theorem, and it is the case of total probability. So this question can be solved by similar manner. The first question, probability of W2 means white wall, part A, white wall from the urn second, and formula will be same, probability of W2 given W1 into probability of W1 plus probability of W2 given R1 means white wall from urn second while red have been transferred. So this will be probability of W2 given W1. W2 means second box. Now there are how many white balls are in second box? There are 2 boxes. So first box contains 2 and 4, 6 balls, and second contains 1 and 1, 2 balls. Now one ball have been transferred from urn first to urn second, and it is white. It is clear, there is no any case of red ball, it is white. So now in this situation, one white ball have been transferred from urn first to urn second. Now there are 3 balls in urn second, 1 white, 1 red, and 1 white have been already come from urn first, so there will be 2 white and 1 red. So total balls in this situation after transfer will be 3, and there will be 2 white and 1 red. So probability of this situation will be 2 by 3. I think you got it. And probability of W1 is white from first, and there are 2 white and total balls are 6, so it will be 2 by 6, plus probability of white while red have been transferred from urn first to urn second. So probability of white, there will be 1 white, and 1 ball have been transferred from urn first to urn second. So now probability of this will be 1 by 3, because there is 1 white and total balls in this situation after transfer there will be 3. So 1 by 3 into probability of R1 means probability of red in urn first. So 4 red and total are 6, so there will be 4 by 6. So this is the probability. If you calculate it, you will got 4 by 9. And second case, part B, probability of W1 given W2. You read the question and just find it. Probability W1, and it is Bayes theorem. Probability of W2 given W1 into probability of W1 upon probability of W2. It is Bayes theorem. Just apply Bayes theorem. So this is equal to 2 by 3. Yes, you have I have find this 2 by 3 into 2 by 6 given probability of W2 means this one 4 by 9. So it comes out to be 1 by 2. This is simple probability. W2 given W1 means white ball from second, while it has been transferred white ball from urn first to second, then it is 2 by 3, it is, and 2 by 6, then it is, so it is 1 by 2. So these questions are very important questions, and such type of questions are always asked in the competitive examinations, so do it. Okay, thank you.